In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks with ease, focusing on accessing and managing tasks in the software. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, QuickBooks can be an essential tool for managing your finances and keeping track of daily tasks. Let's walk through the steps together to help you get the most out of this platform. To start off, open your preferred web browser and head over to QuickBooks website. You can do this by typing in the URL or clicking on a bookmark if you've saved it before. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the home page. This is the central hub for many of your accounting needs. Now look towards the top of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Menu. Give it a click. This button is crucial because it opens up a range of options that help categorize your actions within QuickBooks. By accessing the menu, you can efficiently navigate through different sections of the software tailored to various aspects of your business management. After clicking on the menu, your next step is to draw your attention to an option labeled Tasks. Selecting Tasks will direct you to the section dedicated to task management. This area is convenient for organizing your workload and keeping track of what needs to be done. For those who juggle multiple responsibilities, this feature is particularly helpful. When the Tasks section is open, you'll see a list of tasks, each with its own priority and due dates. Focus on the section labeled Due Today. Give it a click to view tasks that are scheduled for completion by the end of the day. This is an essential step because it allows you to pinpoint what task items need your immediate attention, helping you to prioritize your workload effectively. Utilizing the Due Today feature in QuickBooks ensures that you stay on top of critical deadlines and don't miss any important commitments. It's an incredible asset for maintaining productivity and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently navigate through QuickBooks to manage and prioritize your tasks, making your experience with the software not only more productive, but also more intuitive. Regularly checking and updating your task list can drastically improve your workflow and help you stay organized. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore other features and sections within QuickBooks to fully leverage the software's potential. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out for help or consult additional QuickBooks resources. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing with QuickBooks.